Hello, in this video, I will be sharing a high-profile national-level type of projects using AVEM's brand of audio system. This brings us back to 2016 during the SUKMA Malaysia in Sarawak, Kuching. This is a national-scale event, and our SI and AVEM are honored to be able to install our brands of audio system into the Megalanes Sarawak. Welcome to AVEM project departments. Here we will share you the projects undertaken by us, undertaken by our agent, installer or dealers to make the project a success. If you have doubt on our brand, if you have doubt on AVEM, or you have a doubt on our dealers and agent, this project may be a good reference for you to make up your mind. Megalanes Sarawak is an official venue for the bowling tournament during the SUKMA 2016. This venue is powered by 16 units of IVA DP-15MKII loudspeaker system. Although this model has been phased out, but the current model, the PS series, share similar technology and advancement of this speaker system. We have two videos that discuss about the technology of the DP series and the PS series. If you are interested, I will share in the link below or in the description below. We have 4 units of IVA M-11.0MKII to power this 16 unit of DP-15 speakers. This is a 700 watt per channel power amplifier, and this can give a very good power to the DP-15MKII loudspeaker system, and it can provide a sufficient SPL for this venue. All the speaker is being custom tuned by a Behringer FBQ-1502 equalizer, so that the optimum frequency and the audio response can be achieved on each speakers. The nature of the bowling flooring is very reflective to audio frequency. Therefore, a smart positioning of the speakers and a proper tuning of the loudspeaker system is needed so that the optimized performance can be achieved. A professional tuning is needed so that the reverberation can be reduced to minimum. Of course, we cannot totally eliminate the reverberation of this venue because the real solution for the reverberation will be the acoustic panel on the flooring, on the ceiling, and on the wall. Therefore, our approach is to avoid the worst case scenario by giving a proper position to reduce the reverberation to minimum. To ensure the signal integrity that sent from the mixers to the equalizers or power amp, we are using a Behringer MX-882 splitter so that the highest quality of the signals can be sent through all these systems. Of course, there is a simpler way which we just loop the signal cables from EQ to EQ or from power amp to power amp. But this definitely will introduce some losses in signals, and therefore in such scale of sporting event and installation, we doesn't compromise on that. Therefore, we concluded to use an active splitter to make sure the best possible signal is being sent to the equalizer and the power amplifier. We also have an Emix PA system integrated into this main system as well. From the picture you can see, we have an Emix EMMA 250ZS zone amplifier and 1 unit of EMMA 120B mixing amplifier with player to power up all the box speakers and ceiling speaker according to the zone, such as the walkway, rooms, and etc. IVA wireless mic PRO-UD2 is being used due to the portability of the users to walk around the venue and due to the proven stability of this wireless system. Behringer X1222 USB is chosen as a mixer due to the simplicity of the usage and a good audio quality produced by this console. I was personally there during the venue soft launching for the SUKMA 2016. I enjoy very much of the vibe of that venue. The music playback is very comfortable. The sofas that I sat on is very comfortable as well. I almost fall asleep listening to the background music, and overall, it is a very relaxing venue. Once the bowling starts, of course, the noise will be up by all these noises from the bowling hitting the pin, the bowling rolling on the floor, and even the machineries collecting the pin it started to become noisier, and here the operators can increase the volume or play more cheerful and more exciting music to boost the mood of all the contestants. Hope that you get some idea from this sporting venue project. If you have any doubt on our brand, doubt on our product, doubt on our capability, hopefully this project will give you some of the confidence. Next project, I shall discuss one of the biggest projects that we have ever done. That is the Stadium Sarawak. So that's all for today. I'll be seeing you in next video, and bye bye.